What is the Bitnest Loop? Bitloop is a lending and borrowing smart contract developed on the blockchain. It is a money market lending and borrowing protocol based on the Ethereum network, EVM, where there are two roles, including the depositor of the asset and the borrower, and where the depositor and the borrower of the asset can directly interact with the protocol to earn or pay floating rate dividends on their investments. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to earn USDT in Bitloop every day. In order to obtain income rewards, cryptocurrency holders can store their funds in Bitloop lending smart contracts to carry out zero-risk short-term circulation business and zero-risk short-term loan business, and increase the turnover rate through the circulation of Bitloop smart lending contracts to ensure that profits are rewarded. Users of funds can also skip the complicated process of traditional lending and financial auditing, and quickly borrow funds to solve their urgent needs. Number 1. Circulation earnings. Here, the user has 4 types of money circulation time to choose from. There are 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. At the end of the countdown of the circulation time, the smart contract will automatically execute the return command to the user's wallet address. If you choose 1 day of liquidity, then 100.4% of the funds will be returned after 1 day. If you choose to have funds in circulation for 7 days, then 104% of the funds will be returned after 7 days. If you choose to have funds available for 14 days, then 109.5% of the funds will be returned after 14 days. Selecting 28 days of liquidity will return 124% of the funds after 28 days. Number 2. Sharing reward. In the Bitloop smart contract, for every additional 100 USDT you circulate, you get 1 more generation of rewards, and you can get up to 17 generations of sharing rewards. When you circulate 100 USDT, you can get 20% of the revenue of each circulation of 1 generation of your friends. When you circulate 200 USDT, you can get 10% of the earnings of each circulation of 2 generations of friends. If you circulate 300 to 700 USDT, you will receive 5% of the proceeds from each circulation of your 3rd to 7th generation friends. For 800 USDT to 1000 USDT, you will receive 3% of your 8th to 10th generation friends' earnings. For 1,100 USDT to 1,700 USDT, you will receive 1% of your 11th to 17th generation of friends' earnings. Every share reward will be automatically entered into the participant's wallet address through a smart contract without any human intervention. Bitloop smart contracts use the world's leading broadcast technology and most secure smart contract technology. The web page is just a display interface for the blockchain data, and even if the web page cannot be opened due to a hack or attack, all your circulating rewards will still be automatically deposited into your wallet through the smart contract. Therefore, the process is 100% secure. Bitnest Loop smart contracts use revolutionary smart contract technology that is automatically executed on the decentralized chain without administrator intervention. Even the creator of the smart contract can't change the code or algorithms because they are stored on the blockchain. This means that no one, not even the creative author, can intervene, cancel, or change your transactions. This level of automation is very powerful. The functionality of Bitloop is completely protected by the blockchain. Participants do not need to leave any personal data behind and simply use the address of a cryptocurrency wallet connected via Web 3.0 technology as a login. The entire Bitloop infrastructure is built on top of tamper-proof smart contracts. The Bitloop ecosystem is built on the top of smart contracts and Web 3.0 technology, which are fully autonomous and exclude the human factor. This means that the program will always run automatically, and smart contracts are absolutely secure, unlike centralized virtual currency projects that can be terminated artificially. All proceeds are immediately and transparently returned to the user on the chain and stored in the user's own USDT wallet. Users are in possession of their own wallet private key and can find and verify these transactions on the Coin Smart Chain, BSC. The project is completely transparent with no centralized institution involved, and users can globally circulate and intelligently return USDT, BEP20 without registering or withdrawing. The beauty of Bitloop smart contracts is that they are 100% safe, simple, transparent, and efficient compared to traditional lenders. It doesn't require a centralized institution to check your credit score or verify your true identity. and it doesn't take days or even weeks to review your application. The Bitloop smart contract automatically returns proceeds based on the current demand of participating lender users. When a participant successfully puts funds into circulation, it means they will definitely receive the corresponding circulation proceeds. Participants will not be able to enter circulation if there is a congestion of funds involved in circulation, or if there are insufficient borrowing orders initiated by the borrower. This also means that when participants successfully participate in Bitloop circulation, the smart contract will automatically return 100% of the circulation proceeds. All operating instructions are realized by the blockchain smart contract and are therefore completely secure.